I'm ready, so out of breath, and I haven't even been doing this hike for like 5 minutes, but it's okay. We're gonna power through, and then I'll check in at the halfway point. I just made it to the halfway point, and I am exhausted, and I'm gonna have a water break because staying hydrated is very important, especially since it is 4:33 in the afternoon. But this view is absolutely amazing. So good in here. The view is absolutely beautiful, and I'm glad that I made it all the way up because that was definitely a hike, but it was fun. And yeah. Okay, so I'm on top of the pillbox, and this is the view. There's another pillbox up there, and my car is somewhere down there. So I hiked quite a bit, as you can see, like all along the ridge line. But yes, this is the view. It's absolutely insanely beautiful. And like, it's just crazy to me how close I can get. Okay, so I just got done with the hike and I'm absolutely burning up, but I had a really fun time even though I'm totally out of breath. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you like this content, please let me know and I'll try to incorporate more hikes into my videos. But I do want to say that if you are going to go on a hike, please do not go by yourself. I've only went on this hike by myself because I'm very familiar with this trail and I've done it more than like 20 times. I know where I'm going, I know what to expect, but if you are beginning or if you're just trying out a new hike, please go with someone, because I literally hit my face with a tree. Wait, I'm dumb. I literally had a tree hit me in the face because I was holding onto the tree trying like not to fall because of the gravel, and the tree branch literally hit me back, like hit me in front of the face, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is hilarious. I wish I had it on camera so you guys could have saw it. But yeah, I didn't film too much going down though because I always have a tendency of falling down, so I was paying very close attention. So yeah, but if you guys enjoy this, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.